CapCut Premium free download. You can download CapCut Premium application from here. As you can see, this is download page, and the password of unzipping this application is in the video. Make sure you watch complete video so you will get the password for unzipping this application. CapCut is a powerful and user-friendly video editing application that cater the both noise and experience editors, allowing you to create engaging and high-quality content. Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel Technical DHSN. In this video, I'm going to share with you one professional video editor which is called CapCut. CapCut is an online application. It works online. You can use it on both platforms, like you can use it on PC and you can use it on mobile very easily. If you want to practice over your videos and if you want to become a professional video editor, so you must watch this video. Let me share with you some key features of this application so you will know how it works and what are the qualities of this application using. First, intuitive editing tools. CapCut offers easy to use trimming, cutting and arranging tools for seamless clip editing. Number 2, creative effects. Elevate your videos with captivating filters, text, overlays and dynamic efforts. Number 3, custom soundtracks. Add personalized audio to your videos, enhancing the overall mood and impact. Number 4, visual enhancement. Adjust lighting, colors and visual elements to enhance the quality of your shots. Number 5, seamlessly merge videos with smooth transition for polished viewing experience. Number 6, user-friendly interface. CapCut's intuitive layout makes editing accessible to both beginners and experienced creators. Number 7, platform ready. Export your videos to various platforms like YouTube and Instagram while maintaining quality. Number 8, professional grade editing. Access advanced editing features for a polished and professional final product. Number 9, synced soundscapes. Sync your audio perfectly to your video clips for cohesive viewing experience. Number 10, versatile export options. Export your edited videos in various formats for different platforms and devices. So these were the key features of CapCut application. I am sure these information will helpful for you guys. Inshallah, I will make new videos and I will teach new features to use CapCut application so that you can easily edit your videos and to become a professional. So if you want to learn editing videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech and creative tools like CapCut. Let's dive into the world of seamless videos editing together. So take care guys, until the next video.